So we are off to Srirampur today. We have Shinchan behind the wheels.
Hi, good morning, Footspa.
We have Orgo who is back, and we have Devrup. So Orgo is going to be the videographer, the designated videographer for the day. Devrup is going to be assisting with the entire shoot, direction and the scripting.
আমাদের ইনস্টাগ্রামে একটা পেজ আছে ফুডস্পা, তো আমরা ওখানে রোজ প্রায় ডেলি বেসিসে কন্টেন্ট পোস্ট করি, তো তোমরা ওটা ফলো করতে ভুলো না। ওখানে ইউটিউবেরও আপডেটস পাবে, প্লাস আমাদের ফেসবুকেরও।
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and most importantly, hit the bell icon to get daily updates.
You've seen us cover RR Cafe at Chandan Nagar. Now this is the spot for Foodspa's Srirampur visit today. Okay, let's get inside. Wow. Alright, so we are having a little bit of our chai pe charcha. We have a guest over here, Swastika. Hi.
Hi.
First time on Foodspa.
Yeah.
Keman lagche?
Khub bhalo.
Great. And also we have Jeet, Shriparna. Hello guys.
Hello.
Welcome back. Thank you. Alright, so the first item which we're trying out at our cafe today is a fish fry. So you're getting two pieces of these, priced at 190 rupees. This one is slightly under seasoned, so you can use the salt and the pepper which is by the side. As you can see, they've also given it with a side of French fries, as well as some freshly cut cucumber, carrots, as well as onions. Alright, so next item is this humongous piece of chicken Kobe Raji. Just look at this. Just look at the size of this. Insane. Now this is priced at 150 rupees, and again this comes with a side of some French fries as well as your freshly cut vegetables. So let me just break this open. See how oily this is. Now I am personally not a fan of Kobe Raji, which is why I don't have it on my menus, but this item is very, very popular amongst the youth as well as the old. So there's no way that we're coming to a cafe which is serving this and we're not ordering it. It's kind of sacrilegious. So next up, after having two very oily and rich starters, luckily we have a virgin mojito over here. I think this is a welcome change from what we've started with. It's fizzy as well as refreshing, slightly tangy. This is perfect for following up with whatever we started off with. Alright, next two starters, we have a Mongolian fish as well as crispy chili honey wings. Let's start with the fish. Do you guys want to see what it looks like inside? Next up, my favorite. Whenever this is a part of any restaurant, I make sure that it's a part of Foodspa's menu as well. This is so good. I like the fact that despite it being a honey chicken, they haven't gone overboard with the honey, so it's not too sweet. It's pretty well marinated. The chicken is fresh. This is a perfect set of wings. So this is one very unique thing which caught my attention.
There's a Eureka Foods product which actually emits some photoemitting device which actually deactivates the virus and the bacteria over here.
Very strategically positioned over here. If anyone enters, this is the only way of entering from a restaurant. So the moment you enter and you step up, automatically this detects you, right?
Right.
Fantastic. Alright, so we are through with our starters and we're going to be starting off with the main courses. Chandrani had mentioned categorically from the time I visited last time that I have to try out the mutton Mughlai paratha. So this is the mutton Mughlai paratha. This is a very, very popular item. Just look at the size of each. Incredible. Like 4 pieces are there. Then you have your sides of vegetables. There's ketchup as well as aloo dum. Let's break this one first. Stunning. The Mughlai paratha at any of the RR cafes, be it Chandanagar or Shridampur, they just make it in a very different way. Dip it into some of this little gravy and you enjoy a wholesome full meal. I think this by itself is a meal. এটা তোমার order করার পরে বেশি কিছু খেতে পারবে না. So make sure if you're coming over here, if you wish to try out more items, you have to be in a group of at least 2, 3, 4 people. Otherwise, you're going to be filled up with just one particular item over here. এবারে বড় ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে যেন মাছ আসে, মাছগুলোকে দিয়ে গ্রুপ এখানে করো। Ready? This is very refreshing once again. So we've purposely chosen the drinks which would complement our main courses. Since we're having a very rich, oily kind of a food items today over here, next up we will be trying out some of the Chinese, but the entire menu planned at RR this time around is very heavy food. So nothing better than a couple of fizzy drinks to flush everything down. So the next item which we are having is a Chinese combo. You have a Mongolian rice over here, kimchi salad and a fish preparation. Fish is very soft. This particular rice over here is filled with broccolis as well as mushrooms. Now this is a recipe for success. Whoops. Now this is a recipe for success. Now this particular combo comes with a gigantic glass of soft drink. এই গ্লাসে শুধু আমাকে দেওয়া হয়েছে না সবার এতই থাকবে? This is a gigantic glass of soft drink and this comes along with this combo. Alright, finally the final items of the day after a marathon day. So we have the vegetarian combo. So you have your noodles, you have your paneer, there's kimchi as well as another giant glass of soft drinks. Wow. The sauce used for this particular item is amazing. Alright. It's got that smoky essence. It's pretty good. We have Chandrani here, the owner of this stunning new restaurant at Shridampur. Welcome to Foods for once again, Chandrani. খুবই সুন্দর জায়গা এবারে মানে this is stunningly good. You've given us such a big surprise. Absolutely love it. তো কি রকম মানে how has the journey been from Chandanagar to Shridampur?
It has definitely been nice. Starting with Chandanagar, first we gifted a good cafe to Chandanagar and seeing people coming to the cafe and really enjoying, spending me time, reading books, having tea, coffee, snacks, basically feeling good about the whole thing. So that is something which encouraged me to expand and come up in Shridampur as well. So we want to spread the joy basically. Chandanagar Cafe was about food, adda and books. So this is about food, adda and music. So basically the third component is something which brings joy, which makes you feel good, helps you to unwind. Something that is going away from our lives because we have become too much digital. I want my customers to come and enjoy the RR Cafe experience in Shridampur and enjoy great food, great adda and good music, and most importantly unwind. I mean that is what we all need these days, don't we?
Absolutely. Perfect. Thank you so much for agreeing to speak to us. It is always a pleasure to visit any of your outlets.
Our pleasure too.
We are hoping that we'll get to say this once again next time in Kolkata.
Fingers crossed.
So that was a marathon day today spent at Srirampur. Honestly stunned once we entered this place. This place is so beautiful. I think all of you have already made plans to visit this place. Do visit the place, try out all the food at RR Cafe at Srirampur this time. Drop in your comments if you visited the other outlets as well. Once you're here, you're going to see Food Spa videos all across the restaurant as well. Do take a picture and share it in your stories on Instagram as well by tagging Food Spa as well as RR Cafe. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from Srirampur. Cheers. ঠিক আছে রেডি ব্যাগটা এইভাবে রাখবো নাকি হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে তাহলে তো এইভাবে ধরবো না না তো এইটা ধরলে তাহলে কাটা যাবে না ও হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ওকে গ্রেট 1 2 3 স্টার্ট সো দ্যাট
আমাদের ফুড স্পার একটা পেজ আছে ইনস্টাগ্রামে, ওখানে খুব ভালো ফটোজ আর ভিডিওস আমরা পোস্ট করছি ডেইলি অন আ ডেইলি বেসিস। ও